Your Majesty, let me fight. Give me a chance. I have to prove myself.
And I have to prove my sexuality as well.
In the army. I have to banish this curse that's haunting me and regain my identity.
How? How can you do it?
I can show you immediately, Your Majesty.
I can show you my large cannon that I have. And by cannon, I mean, you know what.
Owned.
Kaboom!
Stand on the freaking point, dumbass!
You've just gotten yourself promoted from artilleryman to general.
I'll have to give you a promotion!
Immediately and irrevocably.
Let me tell you that from now on, you have a new leader. A new general. The General Brumali.
He said, bro.
Awesome! Fire! Fire!
Oh, dude, this is cool.
Yeah, fire! Fire! Burn! Burn!
Look, settle down, Beavis.
Sorry, I can't help myself.
Oh no, Beavis, look out.
He's gonna blow it.
Actually, when it comes to bagpipes, that's not that bad.
Yeah, it's actually kind of catchy. Whee!
Wait, the fireworks are supposed to be afterward! Wait a minute, why did it fade to black like that?
I don't know idea. Maybe they're evil. Everything fades to black when you're evil. Or not.
This is just ridiculous.
Way to go!
Way to go, bro!
I bet the people, if the people that saw the Titanic saw these movies before the ship was ever launched, they would take extra precaution to bring like a little ship around to like with a cannon on it to blow up the iceberg before the ship could even crash into it. So the accident, the tragedy would never have happened, and this movie would never have been made.
Yes.
At least, and not have been associated with Titanic.
Yeah. It's the Mayflower!
No, where's this? The Interceptor from Pirates of the Caribbean.
Oh, no!
Oh, never mind.
What the fuck? Ooh,
Hey, look over there!
Yeah, it looks like the Baron's giving a great party over there on board. Look at us. We're here treading water and freezing to death.
Shut up.
Yeah, shut the fuck up, you cog. Cog?
That's blood, actually, by the way.
Jeffrey, tell me, what was happening?
Oh, I was stripping down for you, sir.
Oh, yes.
'Cause I love you.
Serving your dinner, your lordship. That's it.
Well, don't be ridiculous. I can see that. I mean, now listen to me, Jeffrey. What were we doing here in this boat in the middle of the sea?
I have no fucking clue. I just wanna get down with you. I wanna make out with you, honey.
Your lordship.
Yes, of
Yeah,
course.
I have no idea, sir. I just do what you tell me for the money, even if it means dressing like a leprechaun.
Jeffrey, just because we're on holiday doesn't mean you can dress any way you like to. One does have standards, you know.
How funny would it have been if he was wearing, like, really girly pantyhose or something? Yeah, like, it's all like an army of jabberjaws.
I'm not any part of it. I was just passing.
I was just passing gas, like I am right now.
Wrong guy. Have a hug.
Oh, don't give me that, tough guy. You'll just have to be more careful next time. Now take this.
Ponage.
You're magnetically drawn to his hand. We can't get away. Help!
Smile! Come back!
Huh? Hey, wait a minute, Captain. I just want to say hello to a certain friend of mine.
Say hello to my little friend.
Yeah, he wants that one.
You're gonna be my bitch tonight.
Stop, you rat fink. Where do you think you're going so fast? I'll teach you to punch me on the nose.
He kicked you. Pew! Right in the butt. Again in the butt.
What in the butt?
Ow, 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 ow.
Sushi!
Got somebody your own size.
There ain't nobody here my size. Maybe you should get out of the business. What do you mean those jewels aren't good enough reward?
Up to the surface.
Yeah, they'll tell everyone about the existence of Atlantis.
No, don't worry. It's all right.
No, because I say so.
Oh! Oh!
I'm about to orgasm!
Majesty, look!
What now? Is another armada gonna...
This tough guy.
Artie,
Huh?
I don't like violence. My orders were quite clear. You will have to free Ronnie and Top Connors and let the others escape.
It was so confusing, and I'm not very clever or experienced. I'm
Let
only
me
7
go.
years
Let
old.
me go.
Shut up.
Razor teeth doing in your tentacles.
What tentacles? Oh, these, He must have got stuck without me realizing, Your Majesty. Gosh, I don't know how it happened.
Because I'm such a dumbass.
Go now.
Oh,
Come on, he said let me go.
Throw him! Throw him into the sun.
oh no.
Sweet.
Team Rocket's blasting off again!
Not throw him away like a piece of trash.
Sorry, Your Majesty. Next time I'll be more careful. He was so slippery, just slipped through my fingers.
You have tentacles, not
You
fingers!
deserve a punishment for this.
Aw.
It's not fair, Your Majesty. I protest.
Objection!
I only did what we all would have liked to have done.
What?
Instead, we had to let all the guilty ones free.
And what makes you think they aren't getting what they deserve? Huh?
Okay, he is now creepy.
And obviously evil.
I promise it will be so. I assure you, we will take power and dominate the whole world.
Of course!
We will be the rulers, and we will destroy.
Look, there's even like
all
children
those
there.
humans who are obnoxious
Now what is with that
to
one
us.
right there?
The others
It looks like
will
a
become
cross
our
between a
slaves.
mouse, a wolf, and a woodpecker.
Just wait. The elixir will make you immortal. You will even be able to stay underwater for as long as
They're
you
in
like.
for a big surprise.
To come up for air.
Be quiet, Smile.
They can't hear you.
That will be able to do
That one has like a
everything we
war
want.
paint on his face.
You understand? We'll be able to
Dude,
take
that
over
mole,
every
it's
city,
red. I don't think
town,
that's
and
normal.
village in the world. Yeah.
They may take our pride, but they will never take our freedom!
But you're trying to take over the world.
Of course!
Your emperor.
So doesn't that make you hypocrites?
Power to the people! Power to the rats!
So many of the female rats have like big tatas.
Rat nipples.
Quiet!
Oh, really?
I would like to know how we can be sure this elixir really works.
Well, it's really very easy. I'll give a tiny drop to your leader, and he'll be able to show you that he can stay at the bottom of this well and breathe underwater for as long as he wants. Here we go.
Here we go! But we will have to go in Part 9!